Hello viewers, welcome to yet another episode of Crickwell's Cover Point, where we talk about the past matches and the coming matches in this current IPL. Moving on to Mumbai Indians, who are currently placed at number 3. Their loss against the Bangalore team can be a shocker, that can be a real wake-up call before they head into the playoffs, because they are not sure of their place yet.
See, Mumbai Indians, I think, in my opinion, are a slightly confused lot. One, they themselves don't know what the home wicket is going to be, which is very, very surprising. Every time you see the interview, you hear the interview, they're saying, oh, we don't know what's the wicket going to be. I mean, that's very surprising for a home team, not knowing what is the wicket, how the wicket is going to behave, number one. Number two, I still feel they still have not got the combination exactly right. Like in the last game against RCB, yes, they've got it right, but then why is Franklin playing? Why is not Herschel Gibbs playing? Now, Franklin comes in as an all-rounder, but then they have already Kieron Pollard, who's come back as an all-rounder. Dwayne Smith has already come back as an all-rounder. That means they have about 3-4 medium pacers and have 2 spinners, good spinners. And I think they have the option. So I think, in my opinion, if I was the captain of Bombay, I will choose, say, Herschel Gibbs, because their problem has been the start. They have not got a good start. The day Bombay starts getting a good start, like Sachin and X, whoever it is, gets a good start. They have Rohit Sharma. You saw Dinesh Karthik coming back to form, which is good. And for the others who can score big runs.
Someone like Ambati Rayudu can make it out.
Yes, why pick Kieron Pollard if he gets going? So I think that way, I think they need to get the opening combination right. I think they have to play Herschel. Again, Bombay is still struggling to find the combination. They cannot. They are coming towards the playoffs. Okay, they've got 14 points. Probably they need 2 more, 3 more wins to be sure of a place in the what they call playoffs. But still, you never know. So you can't take a chance. So I think it's time that a guy like Herschel Gibbs takes over, because Herschel Gibbs is the kind of a guy with this experience. He will know what to do. And okay, even though he might be old, but I'm sure he can do much better than what Franklin is doing.
True, obviously, because Harbhajan Singh seems to be really confused about the wicket that he's got every single game. He seems to be really surprised. Chika, if you are in his position as a captain, would you actually go to the curator and have a chat with him? Because they've got a variety of bowling lineup. They can't prepare a wicket which probably assists spin or pace, because Malinga can bowl on any particular wicket. So he seems to be confused about the wicket that he wants to.
I think what they're doing is right. They're going for a pacey track, which is in a way right, because their batsmen are good against pacers. I mean, everybody is a good player of fast bowling. So it's nothing wrong in going for a pacey track. But then go for it fully. That's it, because Harbhajan can bowl on those kind of tracks and Oja can bowl on those tracks. So go for it. Then you have a Malinga, then you have an RP Singh, then you have people like Dwayne Smith and Kieron Pollard supporting them. Then go for the medium pace attack, because generally if you see, either you go for a totally pace attack or a pacey wicket or a spinning wicket. You can't go midway.
True, just extending the point on Harbhajan Singh, you've seen him grow a lot. He's a kind of a confidence player, who picks up a wicket and makes sure that he keeps picking up. But if he doesn't pick up that early wicket, probably his confidence comes down. Do you think that has an effect on his captaincy, the way he's marshalling his troops for Mumbai Indians?
But still, again, against RCB, he was the only guy who was containing them when others were getting hit. So that way, see what is also happening every side has become very intelligent. They identify the best bowler, they play off the best bowler. They don't want to give wicket. They don't take a chance against the best bowler. If it is Bombay, it's Malinga or Harbhajan Singh. If it is Chennai, what they do is, that's what they do with a guy like Ashwin. Now, if it is Delhi, that's what they will do with Mockle. Okay, boss, you take your 2 overs or 4 overs and go off. If it is Dale Steyn for Deccan Chargers, they try and play him off. Yes, sometimes Dale Steyn also gets hit. Sometimes Ashwin or these guys can also get hit. But what the opposition does is, boss, your 4 overs will give it to you. That means what? 4 overs, 20 runs, 24 runs, take it and go. That's what they're doing.
Alright, that's the verdict from Krishnamachari Srikanth, the man himself, Chika, the swashbuckling opener. Thanks a lot for your time, Chika. But while he calls a spade, let's not forget this IPL race promises a lot in the coming week. Many more exciting games to watch. Every single game is a do or die. So don't go anywhere. Catch up on the action soon, only on Crickwell.com.